Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Economic Dispatch of Power Systems with Virtual Power Plant Based Interval Optimization Method. Next we see about abstract of our product. A virtual power plant takes advantage of interactive communication and energy management systems to optimize and coordinate the dispatch of distributed generation, interruptible loads, energy storage systems and battery switch stations so as to integrate the machine entity to exchange energy with the power market. The optimal dispatch strategy of a virtual power plant based on a unified electricity market combining day-ahead trading with real-time trading. The operating models of interruptible loads, energy storage systems and battery switch stations are specifically described in this proposed work. The virtual power plant applies an optimal dispatch strategy to earn the maximum expected profit under some fluctuating parameters including market price, retail price and load demand. The problem of optimal power flow with linear programming model will be carried out in a week of maximum virtual power plant profits. Uncertainty due to the nature of solar and wind power with pumped storage power plant to take advantage of a more flexible generation process as well as a traditional power plant as a backup will be eliminated. The efficiency of model is analyzed and presented using a real sample simulation test or performed on a 10 machine system with MATLAB software. Next we see about flow diagram of our product. This is our product flow diagram. This flow diagram consists conventional power plant, distributed generator, dispatchable load, distributed storage, virtual power plant and load. And conventional power plant is denoted as G, distributed generator is denoted as DG and distributed storage is denoted as DS, dispatchable load is denoted as DL, virtual power plant is denoted as VPP and load is denoted as L. First one, the conventional power plant is nothing but the main objective functions means maximum benefits and minimum cost. The cost contains startup and shutdown cost of distributed generator, fuel cost of distributed generator, operating losses of ESS, expenses of electricity purchase. The startup cost of DG is usually a constant which does not conform to the actual operation situation. In addition, batteries should be charged in a timely manner when they are approximately fully discharged, which is ignored in the reference. Next one, distributed generator generally refers to small scale electric power generator that produce electricity. There are many reasons a customer may choose to install a distributed generator. It can be used to generate customers' entire electricity supply for peak, saving a portion of customers' electricity. In some remote location, TG can be less costly as it eliminates the need for expensive construction of distribution and transmission lines. The next one is distributed storage. Storing data has evaluated during the years in order to accommodate the rising needs of companies and individuals. A distributed storage system can relate to any of the three types of storage: block, file and object. In case of block level storage system, distributed data storage typically relates to one storage system in a tight geographical area. This allows scaling by adding more spheres and thus increasing capacity and perform linearly. Next one is dispatchable load. It provides basic information that loads considering becoming dispatchable can use as a starting point. A uniform 5-minute market clearing price is used to settle dispatchable facilities. The unconstrained dispatch algorithm determines the market clearing price while ignoring the physical relatives of the grid. At the same time, it calculates locational or shallow prices for a number of points on the transmission grid called nodes. Next one, virtual power plant. It is a system that integrates several types of power sources such as solar, wind, and so on. The sources are often a cluster of distributed generator system and are often observed by a central authority. In the competitive electricity markets, a virtual power plant acts as an diverse energy trading floors. The constant optimal mode delivers extra benefits such as the ability to deliver peak load electricity. And next one is load. The total electric power consumed by all users connected to the distribution network of a system is called as load, and also the power used to compensate for losses in all part of the network. Next, we see about the running process of our product. In our product, the main objective function is evaluate the fitness function of fuel cost, and some constraints are used to find out the economic dispatch, and all our constraint is evaluated in a suitable manner, and in the MATLAB simulating tool used to find out the economic dispatch of 10 machine bus data system. Each buses having impedance, reactance, and line data values. All line data values are stored in a specified M file, and that M file is called in the main function M file. Then the data's maximum and minimum value is assigned. Then that values are called in the fitness function. After that, each function is tabled and graphed in the proper manner. The first one is the output table of the line data, and next one is buses 1 to 4 line datas, and next one is 1 2 3 maximum and minimum values. Next one 3 buses maximum and minimum values, and the next one is maximum and minimum value of virtual power plant, and this is the output waveform of allocated total power and load interval with respect to time. And next one is allocated virtual power plant 2 power and with respect to time, and next one is allocated virtual power plant 1 power with respect to time, and this is the final output of allocated power curves for both 10 plants. And virtual power plant also included this waveform with respect to